In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store the easy way. Social media links are a great way to drive traffic and engage with your audience outside of your website. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless integration of your Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels onto your Shopify store. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side. It's usually nested in the sidebar among other navigation items like products and orders. Click on Online Store, and this will take you to the Themes page, where you can manage and customize your store's appearance. Now that you're on the Themes page, find the Customize button. It's typically located next to the theme that's currently published or under customization. Clicking the Customize button will open the Shopify Theme Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to adjust the visual elements of your site with ease. When the editor loads, take a close look at the left sidebar. You should see a tiny gear icon, often referred to as the Settings or Preferences tab. Click this gear icon and it will open a drop-down menu with several categories available for configuration. From the drop-down menu, find and select Social Media. This entry point is where you'll input the URLs of your social media profiles. It's fairly straightforward from here. First, let's add your Facebook link. Click on Facebook, and a field will appear prompting you to enter your Facebook URL. Simply paste in your Facebook profile or business page link. Next, let's move on to Instagram. Just like before, click on Instagram, and a field will appear for you to put in your Instagram handle or profile URL. Copy and paste that link right into the box. Lastly, we're adding your YouTube channel. Click on YouTube, and again paste the URL of your channel into the provided field. Once you have all your URLs set up, make sure to save the changes. There's usually a Save button either on the top right corner of the page or at the bottom, depending on how your editor is set up. Always remember to save your work so you don't lose any changes. With that, you have successfully added social media icons to your Shopify store. These icons will typically appear in the header or footer of your site, depending on your theme settings. Having these icons visible allows your visitors to easily access your social media pages, enhancing your digital presence and encouraging cross-platform interaction. Voila! Your Shopify store is now a hub connecting various facets of your online presence.